Selina's journey began with a clear mission: to enhance the uptake of natural capital and ecosystem services in decision-making across Europe. From the very beginning in July 2022, the project set its focus on protection, restoration, and the sustainable use of the environment. Now, Selina has entered its second phase, marked by the fifth workshop, where partners met and shared the progress on the project's goals. The demonstration projects are established and ready to take centre stage. The communities of practice are advancing. The compendium of guidance is in development to support decision-making. And the seeds of change continue to evolve, keeping Selina's motivations strong.
Drawing on what's being done in the demonstration projects, drawing on what's being done in terms of the research and the publication outcomes as well, and just making sure that all of these things have like an impact beyond Selina as well. So making sure that there's like a lasting impact from all of these deliverables that we're putting together.
Is the findings on seeds of transformative change that our colleagues at Vito have been working on. So they have had discussions with a huge range of interesting people across Europe who have been trying to kind of create a transformation where people are taking better actions around biodiversity. And I really look forward to seeing what are the seeds of transformative change that they've discovered.
So one expected results is based on the methods, like applications, earth observation, things that we really get improvement there for better assessments of ecosystems and ecosystem services. But then also have this integration together with the demonstration projects that they can tell us, okay, this is useful or not, where we have to improve so that we can really see whether the stuff we are doing is useful for anyone.
These achievements are not just milestones. They represent Selina's determination to remain on the path towards transformative change, contributing to the European Biodiversity Strategy 2030 and the Green Deal.
I think actually that is quite the essence of our project. So I have really high hopes that we will actually achieve supporting evidence-based decision-making with regard to natural capital and ecosystem information. And I think it's hopefully our future.
For me, it's really raising awareness. So people will know where to find things. And that will be the language that will be translated really in the compendium of guidance to be really accessible. And that is the strength of it, I think.
To complement these viewpoints, here are further reflections on the role of Selina's products in supporting policy and practice.
I would say, again, better assessments, better data, evidence-based outcomes.
Well, we work with a consortium with like lots of brilliant minds, and I think these brilliant minds have brilliant things to put out there. But what I really hope is that the communication that we do and the dissemination will really reach a wide audience within the EU, so that we can really bridge the knowledge with accessible outputs that are easily understood and can also be applied by people who might not have the knowledge base that people within this consortium have. So I'm really looking forward to all the dissemination efforts as well.
I think Selina can contribute a lot to the natural capital assessments and quantification application, because we have this large group, very interdisciplinary teams of scientists from different backgrounds, different methods, different mind maps and knowledge. And if we bring this all together, then it can be truly sustainable in a social, ecological and economic way.
The journey so far has been shaped by collaboration, knowledge sharing and innovation. This is why we asked the consortium to describe Selina with one word. This is what they said.
Selina in one word would be something like future-oriented. It's two words, but it's linked in one.
Yeah.
If I had to pick one word, I'd say it's huge.
Innovation.
Integration.
I think in one word, that would be inspirational.
A nice consortium offering valuable solutions for policymakers.
Dynamic.
Bridge building.
Optimistic.
Innovative.
I would say unifying.
Follow Selina's continuing journey of shaping nature-informed decision-making for a sustainable future.